लेकिन धोनी किसके लिए नहीं पढ़ रहा है? किसके लिए? क्या बात है? पढ़ने का, ओपनिंग आने का, किसके लिए लॉस हो रहा है? तुम क्या प्रॉब्लम? क्या मैडम? आने का, मारने का, जाने का, नहीं तो नहीं रहने का.
There will be a time after Dhoni, and if the fans don't rally behind the team, then I think this fan base will start deteriorating.
We can't handle RCB winning.
Tell everyone.
RCB has the worst fan base.
Speed, Murugesan. He has his number there, he has the whole shebang. Can you come and take us to the ride? What is this? You're the
Dhoni fans.
Dhoni
Yes,
fan.
Dhoni, yes.
And how long has your auto been like this?
The Auto Chennai winning final of two days free ride.
I will see Dhoni scoring 100, obviously.
You don't care about 7 games defeat?
No, I don't.
Okay,
I
fair.
only care about Dhoni.
Dhoni, he came at number 9. Should he
What
have...
he can do, Dhoni? Even if Dhoni's father or grandfather comes, he cannot win today.
धोनी सर की सोच कुछ अलग है, लेकिन थोड़ा ऊपर आना चाहिए. माही पाजी प्लीज थोड़ा ऊपर आइए ना.
Overconfidence. They said no, only Chepak, only CSK wins. See, it does matter, it has changed. He has changed. Cup is waiting.
But ये गोट 5 या 6 नंबर पे आना चाहिए ना.
कुछ तो किया है तभी इधर 5 स्टार है.
एंड इसके पास
अरे 18 साल से ओनली लेडीज नो जेंट्स.
कभी सीएसके ने 250, 200 मारे है नहीं. आरसीबी देखो, फैंस के दिल जीतता है. क्यों? हमेशा उनका परफॉर्मेंस एक नंबर का रहता है.
So who's the best commentator according to you?
Bhosle. Harsha Bhosle.
Harsha Bhosle. Thank you, Harsha Bhosle.
जोश है तो हौसले है, चिड़िया है तो घोंसले है, हर्षा है तो भोगले है, आशा है तो भोसले है.
Which team you would like to see to lift the cup? Why is that?
Because Virat Kohli truly deserves it, and he has everything except the IPL, which he gets. He's going to be the most complete cricket player.
Who gave you these?
Surya Kumar Yadav. There was a Tilak Verma fan who was asking for his gloves.
Okay.
So he get it. So I cried. My father tried his best, and we
You
get
got
it.
the gloves.
फिर कितने चाहिए?
How long you been a GT fan for?
Since 3 years now, since I've started. Yeah. CSK fan before you.
Okay, fine. You are not upset, why?
RCB. Isal Tapnamde.
But you are wearing a CSK jersey.
Fake.
But at least we saw Dhoni here before his retirement, so I'm very happy.
But just having Dhoni, seeing him is not enough. No, you need to win matches with him.
For us it is enough.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में.
I mean, I'm actually lost my voice right now. I'm scared so hard today.
So tonight, it's fair to say that you're an RCB Paglu.
Yes, I am fully an RCB Paglu.
See, all 18 seasons the team cannot play well. Mumbai, Chennai, they have done what is to be done to play a league and what is there to be achieved. RCB is yet to do that, and a bad season cannot define a good team.
What's the banter like right now?
It was an amazing match. Although the result didn't turn out the way we wanted.
This year is DC. CS RCB ain't gonna win this year. It's DC this year.
RCB third class management. RCB.
I love Virat Kohli.
Yes, of course.
सर आप कहाँ देखते हैं CSK को फिनिश करते हुए?
7-8 डिसाइड कर लेंगे जो नीचे हैदराबाद के साथ जब मैच है.
You can tattoo his number.
Yeah.
And you're eating your placard.
Yeah.
It's actually too yum. That's insane. Your big king, Rohit Sharma.
He's bakwas.
Really? I love the mother's reaction. So, out of both your franchises, who'll finish bottom? MI or SRH?
I would say SRH.
SRH.
CSK.
RCB the कप्पो.
Well done.
मात्रा नंदे. RCB the कप्पो.
तूने क्या मिक्स किया है पांडुरंग?
Got Tupac and Itisha, but no 2 points.
I don't have an answer. That's a fucking dumb question.
Really?
That is a dumb question.
इंडिया आहे, ब्ल्यू आहे, आमची ब्ल्यूच आहे रक्तामध्ये. आम्ही मुंबई इंडियन्सला सपोर्ट करतो. आता इंडियन टीमला कोणी जास्त प्लेयर्स दिले, चेन्नईनी की मुंबईनी?
मुंबईचा राजा रोहित शर्मा. मुंबईचा राजा रोहित शर्मा.
मुंबई का किंग कौन?
रोहित शर्मा.
Do you think Rajasthan can reach playoffs?
I don't know which team is Rajasthan.
I just want to say, Sanita.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant.
आप मेरे हिसाब से मुंबई नहीं आ सकते हैं.
तो मेरे को कहाँ आना है?
You know, if it's a movie, it's Bollywood. If it's cinema, it's Hollywood. But if it's absolute cinema, it's Joss Hazelwood.
It's not a farewell. It's not a farewell. It's a funeral.
2 points in Chepauk. It's not every day.
Doubles only.
Dubs only, right? So now, who do you think's finishing bottom in IPL 2025?
CSK.
Yeah.
It's not a season that's coming together, but I'm happy it won't be blamed on Ruturaj at least. Even Dhoni is not able to perform with his team, so I'm happy Ruturaj won't be blamed.
Okay, would you rather see CSK finish last this year or RCB win the IPL?
CSK finished last. I don't want RCB to win.
Let CSK finish last.
Yeah.
We will obviously support RCB because we really want the king to win a cup.
अंबानी की बहुत बड़ी मेहरबानी है कि वो बच्चों को फ्री टिकट्स रखते हैं जबकि उनका नुकसान होता है कुछ भी होता है बट वो बहुत मतलब खुशियाँ होती है क्योंकि बच्चे लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं कि हम प्लेयर्स को देखेंगे हम उनकी मैचेस देखेंगे.
या टोपी बद्दल जरा सांगा लोकांना.
महाराष्ट्राची शान आहे.
टोपी.
अस्सल मराठी.
Will you be happy if RCB beats CSK? No. No?
No, never.
लुधियाने से स्पेशल आए मतलब पैसे वसूल हो गए टिकट के भी मैच टिकट फ्लाइट टिकट सबके.
Always be Shreyas Iyer. Always Shreyas Iyer.
Chennai fans were holding lollipops and stuff in the last match, so we decided we'll sell the.
RCB is not just a team, it is an emotion! How happy are you?
RCB!
Have you seen anything like that before?
Nothing. Amazing match.
How are you in yellow and them in red?
No, I think I just got switched by the rest of my family.
On special message, focus on the trophy. 12 points, 14 points to reach to the playoff.
Yeah.
But this time, definitely the 18 points.
18 points.
18 points is must.
What is your message to him? You still think RCB is going to win or lose? No?
Lose
Why are you wearing a CSK jersey?
because CSK is gonna win.
Okay. He's Dhoni's fan. Yeah, okay. That's fine, right? Yeah. So what's your message to Dhoni fans?
We troll teams, not players.
Look at that. What is your message to Shubman Gill?
I love you so much. Yeah, you are the best player.
What is the best part about Shubman Gill?
His looks.
हाँ ठीक है हिंदी में बात करूंगा कौन जीतेगा आज रोहित शर्मा या मुंबई इंडियंस
रोहित शर्मा. 3, 2, 1, go. Cricket.com.
Well done. Give me a 5. Super.
Subscribe to cricket.com. Subscribe to cricket.com.
In Tamil you can say cricket.com.
Cricket.com के सबसे बनूंगा.
Bananga right now, machis.
For more such videos, check out our cricket.com YouTube page.